All right, so here we are for part 2 on the wheels. Okay, like I said, we're on part 2 here. What I've decided is I started doing more research on these wheels, and I really like the FR500 series wheel. I mean, I think they're a beautiful wheel, but also I found out Ford Racing made their own version of it. Obviously, that's where it came from, but I'm really digging the fact that they only came in silver, black, or chrome. So I started cleaning these off a little bit, and I can really see that silver, with it being a 17-inch, looking great. So I'm really thinking that we're gonna just do silver instead of, I did have bronze, but I don't think the bronze is going to do it right for me. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the center caps and make them to look like the authentic thing. I have a Cricut, so I'm gonna cut the vinyl for the Ford Racing logo, and also they have a Ford Racing logo that goes along the lip, and I'll cut that in vinyl. I want it to look like an authentic wheel. But I do believe they don't make them in a deep dish for the rear, so that's gonna be a dead giveaway. Also the fact that they're 17s and the Ford Racing ones are 18s. So here's where we're at right now. So now all I'm gonna do is wash all this up, do some sanding, tape off the lip. It actually polishes up really nice. So we're gonna tape that off, we're gonna clean it up, and then I think we might spray some silver on it today, make them center caps, and hopefully have a finished product of one of these wheels, just to give you an idea and a comparison of where it started and where it's going to be. And by the way, I'm gonna go ahead and throw a few pictures up of the wheels, of what they look like from Ford Racing, so that way you can see just the little minute changes and little touches that make it kind of stand out a little bit more compared to like a rep wheel. All right, so here we are now. We're getting ready to start sanding on some spots. We're gonna get in here in these little areas there. We're gonna sand the back of the drums, kind of even that out. We're gonna paint the back of the drums back black. And then the face is silver. We're gonna hand polish this lip. So, and then we're gonna take out the little curb marks and all that. We're gonna hit those with the little sanding bit. So yep, I think they're gonna turn out pretty good. All right, so the light is starting to go down on us. We did spray some self-aging primer and then shot some silver color on there. And hopefully before this rain sets in, these will be dry enough to where I can take them and put them in the garage. And here's how they're looking so far. Not too bad, not perfect, but not too bad. And I ran out of masking tape, so I had a bunch of extra vinyl. I used that to mask it off. So hopefully it looks okay. All right, so once again, not perfect. We pulled the tape off. We're gonna go through and deburr the back side of some of the spokes where, you know, some of the stuff was loose, but clean all that up on the back side once it's cured, and then repaint the barrels black, and I think we'll be done. We're gonna hand polish the lips and go from there. I think it's quite a success. Going from that to that, and then now to that. I'm actually pretty happy with the outcome. So now that we see what the finished product for the most part is going to be on the rest of them, that's how they're going to turn out. We're going to make the emblems for the center and the logo lettering stuff. So other than that, that's how it's going to work. So hope you guys enjoy, man. Don't forget to like and subscribe, by the way.